Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Huawei Mate 30 Pro making us surprised with every leak that makes this device more and more attractive. According to a fresh leak, Huawei Mate 30 Pro will feature a much greater and impressive camera setup than its biggest rival, the Galaxy Note 10. The news has been leaked by one of the trusted leakers, Ice Universe, on Twitter that the Huawei Mate 30 Pro will feature two 40-megapixel cameras and an 8-megapixel 5x telephoto zoom camera. The standard camera or the main camera could have a sizable sensor of 1 by 1.55 inch, and the second camera, or most probably the ultra wide angle camera, could have 1 by 1.7 inches sensor. If this leak is true, then it indicates that the Mate 30 Pro will have a key edge on its arch rival, the Galaxy Note 10. A recent rumor that concerns that the Note 10 Plus will feature a similar camera setup to the Galaxy S10 5G, which could make its sensor significantly smaller than the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. At the same time, Huawei will use Super Sensing camera module in the upcoming Mate 30 Pro. Last time we saw this module in P30 Pro with Kirin 980 chipset that helps to take clear and bright photos in darkness. So undoubtedly, we will see some great camera performance in Mate 30 Pro. It is well known that Huawei always use their own chipset on Mate series. That being said, Huawei probably going to introduce Kirin 985 in Mate 30 Pro, which could even faster than Snapdragon 855 Plus. This new chipset will feature the new 5G modem of Huawei that will provide better performance with lower power consumption. Huawei Mate 30 Pro will have a thinner and wider notch on the top and a significant thinner bezel on the bottom. Not to mention that there won't be any side bezels, as this device will have a 90-degree curved screen that makes it the most stylish device of the year. Lately we got to know that Mate 30 Pro will not have any Corning Gorilla Glass protector, rather than it would have their own screen protector known as Air Glass. Thanks to the trade ban on Huawei, we got to know that this tech giant is working since 2012 on their own operating system, which is known as the Hongmeng OS. Although they are working on this OS for a long time, recently in an interview with the Chinese news agency Xinhui, Huawei Senior Vice President Catherine Chan explained that Hongmeng OS is built for industrial use, not for smartphones. As I noted earlier, they are making their own chipset along with the screen protector and other hardware that indicates that slowly they are making themselves self-sufficient from US companies. Who knows, maybe in future they will upgrade their Hongmeng OS for smartphone and become a self-sufficient company. Despite the uncertainty of using Android further on their devices, they are not going to abandon Android anytime soon unless they get permanently banned from US or Google. With that said, we might see Android Q on Mate 30 Pro depending on the relationship with Google. If things go right, we might not see any alternative OS from Huawei anytime soon. The regular Mate 30 might cost around $600 to $800, and the Pro version might cost from $900 to $1200. In addition, there will be a 5G version of Mate 30 Pro that could cost extra $100 to $200. Huawei didn't officially announce the release date of Mate 30 yet, but with the previous records, the release date could be in October or in the beginning of November. If you like my video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for future uploads. That's all for today. See you in the next one.